Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about bob haircut with bangs for girls. First of all, how to cut them. To cut your hair into a bob with bangs, it's best idea to visit a professional hairstylist. They can tailor the haircut to suit your face shape and hair type perfectly. They will make sure you get the exact bob and bang style you are looking for. Then how to style them. Styling your bob haircut with bangs can be a fun. You can blow dry your hair with a round brush to add volume and shape. For the bangs, you can either straighten them for a sleek look or curl them gently for a softer style. Experiment with different hair products like mousse or hairspray to achieve your desired look. For styling your bob haircut, you can try using a volumizing mousse for added volume and texture. A light hold hairspray can help keep your style in place throughout the day. So viewers, hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.